Want to share Threads profile link on WhatsApp but don't know how? Hi everyone, I'm Jenny from All in Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to share Threads profile link on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by launching the Threads app on your device. Then click on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the Share Profile button. Click on the Share To button. Then tap on WhatsApp from the options below. After that, tap on the person whom you want to share Threads app link. Now click on the Send button. Again tap on the Send icon. And that's how you can share Threads app profile link on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching All in Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.